Are you ready? Hey guys, it's Kamrin and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing his makeup, so we're gonna start.
Just don't mess too far.
Do you know what it is that you want to do, or you just want like a specific look?
Just on me up.
Dude, that's not interesting. Okay, you ready? You know what this is?
No.
Primer. It's in your hair.
Is it like, maybe it's the stuff I used to just wash my face with.
Oh,
Let's say it's this.
this is gonna be really hard to put foundation in.
Because I have a beard?
Yeah. Can you pick a color that you want to do?
I thought you decided on pink or whatever.
Everything's pink in here. You're stupid. Do you want sparkly or matte? Or you just don't care? Am I gonna just have to
Yeah, I
do
want
it?
some sparkly shit.
Oh my god. Yo,
You
dummy pigmented on you. Oh my god.
You want me to look at you with my eyes closed? Is stuff happening on my...
Yes.
There's stuff coming off on my face?
Yes, it's called fallout.
Am I pretty yet?
No. This is supposed to be the...
My eyes are watering.
This is supposed to... You're such a wimp. Your eyes are closed. What's wrong with you?
Just do it. Just go. Just keep going.
You good, bro? He's like dying from just having eyeshadow.
Makeup tutorial.
It's so tickly. It tickles. I want
You
to scratch
seem
my
like
eye.
you're having a seizure.
Because I want to scratch my eyes.
No, don't scratch
Scratch
them.
them.
Maybe you're allergic to it.
No.
Oh my god. That's so
Yes.
This is turning out hella orange on you.
Turn me into the thing.
The who?
The thing.
What is the thing?
From Fantastic Four.
Bruh. This is crazy.
The big orange guy.
Oh!
Looks like a rock.
I thought you were talking about the thing from the Dr. Seuss movie. You remember that?
Thing 1 and thing 2.
No. You know when that movie about them like chopping down the forest and everything?
The Lorax?
The Lorax.
That's not a thing. He's
Yeah,
the Lorax.
I know, but
There's literal things called the things.
Is this supposed to be like the same colors as skin?
no.
You're doing more than just my eyelids, or
Yeah, we're doing your whole face.
like lipstick and everything?
How long is this process? Like, how long do you take?
Like 25 minutes, 30 minutes.
I'll just sit here and meditate. I don't know what kind of hurt. It's gonna drive me nuts. Just keep going. Stop.
Oh my
Give
god.
me shit about it.
gonna drag me in the eye.
Come back here.
That's what it looks like.
Before this dries up, come here. Wait, which color do you want? Quick, decide. That one.
Which color do you want? Fix a color. It gets me shit for it. I don't know why I chose that one. Did I make a good choice?
No,
Should have picked it. I don't know why you let me pick.
because it's your makeup look. Why are you licking your lips? What is wrong with you?
I wasn't licking my lips. I was just being.
How's that feel, Zach? I feel like it's so weird.
It feels like a brush on my face. It's kind of weird on my eyelids though. It feels like someone's poking me in the eye repeatedly.
Oh my god, you're such a wimp, bruh.
I mean, that's what it feels like. If I start singing, will you get a copyright infringement?
No, you can sing. I just can't like play the actual song.
Oh, okay. What should I sing? Should I sing some country?
No, please don't.
Take me home.
No. Yo, this turned out fire.
I feel like I got a black eye.
No, you don't. It's pink.
A pink eye. Don't touch me, I'm infectious.
Just move this way.
I feel like you're painting my tear ducts.
I am.
It's so weird. So I shouldn't cry?
No.
I'm not tearing up now.
The big boys now.
No, it was just powdery. It felt weird. My eyes tear
Because
up.
it's fallout. That's why you do your eyes first. Because if you do it like on your foundation, it'll get all in the foundation. Then you have like weird.
I hope you're taking notes, girls.
Your what?
Oh, it's up.
What?
Oh,
You're leaving Pranav?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll send you pictures of what he looks like at the end.
Send me your YouTube channel. Like, what-
Wait, come. Just
Dude,
get,
just
get
do
like a
this
cameo.
Pranav.
right now.
Get a cameo.
Pranav,
Come over here.
Kevin.
Come over here and get a cameo. Pranav.
Yo.
I have to get. Okay. Let's see if I got this right. Okay, look over at me. Stop looking at yourself.
Pasty birds.
What is this?
Pimple?
Don't touch that.
It's squishy.
Yeah, that's a beauty blender. Yeah.
Oof. Now I'm looking and I'm feeling like a bad.
That was cute.
Should I not wink? I feel like you just messed it up.
Oh my god, you messed it up!
Fix it then.
I can't!
Yeah. That looks so funny. What the?
You see the color of it, right?
No. No, come on. Alright, let's get a different one.
No, we have to do this one. Okay. Why are you...
What do I do?
Okay. Mom.
Mom. Oh my god. Last thing I need is my stepdad to come home with all this makeup on my face. Mom.
Stop! Stop it! Stop! Okay. Look up.
My eyelashes in my eye.
Look up. But don't look up till you're away from me.
I can't see where you are.
Yeah, but you're like... Oh! You have to let it bake.
I'm already baked. Chicken on that.
You dead ass look like a drag queen. Okay, come
This
here.
shit's so thick. I look like I could take off my eyebrow and smack someone with it.
Okay.
Am I doing like this? Do I have to do this? Why?
Huh?
Why did I have to do this?
Oh, because it like gets into the hollows of the cheeks. It's longer than the other. Okay. Oh my god.
My face feels heavier. I thought you were trying to turn me into Rudolph.
Okay, turn the other way. And then be like wet.
Oh, great.
Close your eyes. Ready? It actually looks really good. You look prettier than me. Look at the eyes. Close your eyes. Yo! Move your face closer. Stop squinting. You look Asian.
I'm laughing. I feel like a bad.
You look good too.
Can I open my eyes now?
Yes. You know what you look like? Hold on.
I don't know who I
Wait.
look like.
Wait. No.
I don't.
You can't. You literally look exactly like this girl. This is literally what he looks like. You dead ass look like her. Wait. Let's put a mole on your face. Come here.
No.
Yes.
We're not putting a mole.
Don't sneeze. What are you doing? No! This is why I get sick all the time, because of you. Stop. I haven't finished yet, bruh. Wow. Oh, look, it's... Bro, I snapped.
I feel like a whole new.
Where's my phone? Wait, take your hair down. Like,
She's telling me I look good. And it tells me I look like a toad. No?
It's on my private. Relax, bruh. Did I snap?
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching him turn into a female. He looks great. You really do look like that chick from Shrek. That's so sad.
Alright, bye everybody.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I upload videos every Sunday, and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to do any more videos with him. But that's all for this week. Bye. I love you guys. My social media will be at the end of this video.
And mine.
No.
I need clout.
Bye guys. Mwah. Love you. Blanca. How am I supposed to tell my story?